What is going on? We're back again down here at Lake Linville. We're going to try some jig fishing and some probably crankbaits today. The lake's pretty windy, as you can see. Check it out. Huh? I'm going to be flipping this pontoon, this old pontoon, with the jig, see what we can get. But I'm going to put you on my chest today for, what do you call that, first person view kind of deal. We will get back at you. Alright, today we're going to be using the Abu Garcia Veritas. Let me turn around here where you can see. There you go. I don't know if you can get it in there. With a Revo S reel. And I'm going to be throwing right now a black and chartreuse jig. See what we can get. It's a pretty hot day out here today, and there's a storm heading up towards us from the south, so I may be throwing the wrong thing. You're kind of learning, or I'm kind of learning as I'm doing these videos, what to throw, when to throw it, stuff like that. I'm not a pro, but we'll try to grow together, I guess, on these videos. Linville here is a lake in my hometown. It's not a very big lake. It's not got very big bass in it. But here and there you can hook a good one. Maybe y'all get to see that one day. Might be too bright out here to be throwing the black and chartreuse. Might have to go tie on a different colored jig. But we'll throw it way out here, see what we can get. Kind of tilt you up a little bit here. Get my hand out of your way where you can see. This lake ain't very deep. It probably the deepest point or deepest part is probably 36 feet. It probably averages 10, 15 if that. I get this in, I might tie on a different colored jig. If that don't work, I may walk on down the bank here, maybe throw a crankbait, see what that might do. I know a lot of y'all probably saying spinner baits. We could throw one of those, I guess, see how that does. I don't know really what color to throw. I'm not really a good spinnerbait kind of guy, but if y'all use spinnerbaits and know a lot about spinnerbaits, drop it in the comments to let me know what to use. Y'all need to help me out too. I know I'm doing the videos, but I need all y'all's help. We're probably going to tie on a different jig. See what that does. They might like a different color than what I got on today. It being kind of hot and sunny. We'll try that. See what does. Alright, I got my other jig on. I just bought this at the good old Walmart. It is I don't know if you can see it there. It is a Strike King Pro model jig with a rattle. And I got a Zoom Super Chunk Junior root beer pumpkin. Green pepper, something other. But we'll check it out, see what it does. A lot of junk around that pontoon. I guess you'd call it a pontoon, that's what it is, parts of it anyways. There either ain't nothing there, or I ain't fishing real well. But let's throw it way out there again, see what goes on. There we go. Let it flutter down to the bottom there. I'd like to catch a nice one for you guys. Oh yeah, I got something here. Oh yeah, if I can get him up on this bank without breaking my rod and reel. Well, I guess I won't break my reel, but my rod. Oh, did he come off or did he swim towards me? No, he's still on there. Try to get him up here. Oh yeah. There you go. There's a good one. Pretty bass. Pretty bass. I don't know if you can see it there or not. Try to get this jig out of his mouth. Look there. Come right out. Switch that color up. Pretty bass. Try to get him back in here without hurting him. Let's see. Kind of a high bank here. Oh yeah, he gone. He gone. He was way out there. That color there usually works magic down here on Linville. Let's see if we can get us another one. Let it float down to the bottom. He barely even nudged that crank, or that crank, listen to me. He barely even nudged that jig. Felt him kind of pick it up. That'll get your heart pumping. First fish of the day. Right now what I'm doing on my jig is just barely dragging it across the bottom. I don't know, that's kind of the way I fish them. I don't know what the real way is to fish them, I guess. Again, you can leave it in the comments, tell me how to really do it. Sometimes I do a pop kind of deal. We'll see what it does. I had the camera off, but I got me another one, I think. We'll see how big he is here. Little bitty guy. Tore his lip up there a little bit. Oh, he's pooping on me. Same jig. Got him tore up out there. Had the camera off, but we got him on video anyways. Getting him in. Hope y'all could see that. Just letting her sit out there, doing a little drag here and there, shaking it. Got me another one, number 2. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Lost my jig that I liked, that I just bought. I said it was going to be one more throw. Yeah, lost it. So I ended up tying my black and blue back on, throwing it out there for a little bit. Didn't even get a nibble. But that's fishing, you know. You buy your jigs, you buy your baits, throw them out there a few times. You may lose them, you may have them for years. But that's the end of this video. Hopefully to have some more for you. Maybe a little bit better quality if I can get my wife's camera from her, where I can use it instead of my GoPro. But I still will use my GoPro on my chest to get you a point of view, first person point of view on it. I'm kind of holding it out here like a selfie stick right now. Maybe get a good tripod or something to put it on. I have a small tripod that I've done some pond fishing with. You might be able to see that video soon. So for right now, I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to head to the house, and we will see you on the next video. If you like this video, subscribe down below. Throw me a thumbs up. Tell your buddies. Get me all kinds of views, man. Just old redneck from Kentucky.